this is so metal. You'll see that that fish is still alive. And that cat is just eating it. That's gonna be such, oh, look at that. Look, it's still, it's going, it's breathing. That fish is breathing. Oh man. And then this guy over here is just kind of waiting, saying, that guy can't eat all that fish. I know him. Tony, you can't eat that whole fish. Shut up, Mark. Tony, you can't eat the whole fish. I'm gonna eat it this time. I agree. You shut up too, Gary. Eat the whole damn fish this time. Start at the tail. That's the trick. Shut up, fish. Stop breathing. Ruining my mojo here. I'll bite you in the belly now. Look at that. Get your belly. Tear you up. Tony's a beast.